What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So in this video I want to solve 2 sine theta equals to 1 minus cosine squared theta, and theta must be between 0 and 2 pi. So in one side I have sine theta and on the other hand we have cosine squared theta. So it's better to change this cosine squared theta to sine squared theta. So I'm going to use trigonometric identities first. We know sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals to 1. So 1 minus cosine squared theta will be equal to sine squared theta. Then we can say that's going to be equal to 2 sine theta, and instead of 1 minus cosine squared, I will write sine squared theta. Then I move everything to one side. I can have it as sine squared theta minus 2 sine theta equals to 0. And then I can factor sine theta because that's common between these two terms. It's going to be sine theta minus 2 equals to 0. So sine theta times sine theta minus 2 equals to 0. The product of two expressions equals to 0. It means that either this one equals to 0 or this one. So I'm going to have two conditions here, two situations. One of them sine theta equals to 0. The other one sine theta minus 2 equals to 0, which means that sine theta equals to 2. Sine theta equals to 2 as we had it many times before. Sine and cosine functions are changing from -1 to +1. So the range for sine and cosine functions are just -1 to +1, including these two numbers, and anything less than -1 or anything greater than +1 is not inside the range. So that's not going to be the answer here, so there is no solution in this part. What about the other? We have sine theta equals to 0, and theta must be, when we have between 0 and 2 pi, 0, pi, and 2 pi. So these three numbers, these three values for theta makes sine equals to 0. So sine 0 is 0, sine pi is 0, and sine 2 pi is 0 as well. So we have three answers to this question, which are 0, pi, and 2 pi. I will leave some related playlists in description. If you need more help or you're looking for more extra practice question, you can take a look to description. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.